Coolant is a key ingredient in your car, making sure that nothing overheats. Never open the cooling system when it is hot, as it is under pressure and will burn you. Make sure your car is on a level surface, and when you're ready, pop the bonnet and secure it in a raised position so it doesn't fall on you. Then look for a clear bottle in the engine bay. This is called the coolant reservoir. This clear bottle will have high and low points marked on the outside so you can tell just how much water you should put in. If it is already between these two lines, there is no need to add any more. If it has fallen below the minimum line, you can top it up carefully using tap water. Just make sure you close the cap tightly when you are done. While you are looking at your water levels, make sure you look at the colour of the liquid. If you can see any oil in the coolant, take your car to the local MTA repairer and ask them to have a look, as it could mean that there is a problem with your engine.